We're so back with another episode of Sagarika Styles, so let's get dressed. I'm going to Soho today to pick up a new bag, and I want to dress cute, comfy, and chic, and it's officially the first day of spring, so let's style something. If it's getting warm outside, I am bringing out the bright colors, so today we're styling this yellow, butter yellow shirt, and for jeans, I'm gonna go for this pair of blue jeans. This is the base we're starting with right now, but wait till we actually get to styling it. Whenever you're confused, just go for lace, and this piece right here is gonna be our best friend today. I love some lace. You can use it as a belt, as a headscarf, as a tie, whatever you want. And this is what we're wearing today. Now for the boots, I'm going to try something different and tuck my jeans into the boots and see how that looks. Here's the jeans all tucked into the boots. I was kind of just bored of wearing normal jeans, so I'm glad we went with this. For the bag today, I'm going to go for my YSL shoulder bag. My favorite color combination has to be brown and yellow. Any day. And now we're going to finish with this brown bucket hat. I feel like this is giving country chic. I think we're ready to go shopping now, so I'll see you guys soon.